at Memorial, we are one of the key ocean engineering schools for Canada, but the community is a world community. So we need to make Canada stronger and this region stronger, and this local industry needs our strength. But to be that kind of strength, we have to make an impact around the world. I had a kind of a real aha moment one day. We were doing some simple industrial outreach for one of the big offshore companies, and they wanted us to pull on a riser. This is just a standard component in the offshore. And it turned out that we could only barely pull hard enough so that they could certify that the device was okay. It made me realize that we had to move to a much bigger scale. And so the initial idea for this CFI grant was hatched, this notion of developing a large multi-purpose test frame where we could test structures and materials at a much larger scale. That first CFI grant gave us some equipment to do some initial projects, which we did for Transport Canada, the Canadian Coast Guard, but also the US Coast Guard. And with that work, we got the attention of the world. That was the first grant, and that was a sort of landmark for a stream of projects here at Memorial. It's hard to draw all the threads that connect this, but I can see in my mind, this series of expanding opportunities that have come. So it's, I'm very pleased at what's happened, but ambitious for more.